Hey guys, and welcome to another toy review. Today this is my creation of a toy, and it's based off of my character from the world of Super Hart. And this is Evil Eye. He is a ghost that has a claw. It's hard to see that claw, but it's a movie accurate and the real thing. Now I'll show you the drawing of Evil Eye before I show you what he does. This is Evil Eye. There's his arm, there's his claw arm, and then Super Hart, and then it's Dr. Evil. These two are good guys. That's the only bad guy. And now you can see a lot of difference in the coloring. It's a pretty neat toy though. Now I'll show you what he does. He has a button back here that you push right there. Right here, actually. And it makes a laser sound effect of Evil Eye's laser eye. Then he has another button. That button that you push to make him do that growling looking thing. So it's a pretty neat toy though. And it's my actual first talking toy that I've ever made, and it is pretty movie accurate, I would say. That's what I'm hoping the sound effect of the laser eye. So yeah, that's Evil Eye from the world from the world of Super Hart. Working on Repairbot, Dr. Evil's robot that he created. I have to work on his arms, and that will be it. And here's my Clean Woody again.
Yeah, partner! We gotta get this wagon train a-moving.
Soon, hopefully, to get lots of Laugh Woody to add to my collection of having 4 toy story Woodies. So yeah, there is Evil Eye. His glove is not movie accurate, I would have to say. That's the only thing I would have to say about him. Everything else is close, and he's supposed to just be nothing but floating parts anyway, but I just decided to do this anyway. Thank you, and bye.